All right, guys, we're back at it again, and here's the case I promised you I would show you. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro minus the coverage on the back of the hinge, and then no S pen slot, basically. So same thing with the instructions here. This is actually really simple and to the point, but I do want to show them to you. Flip it over here, get some more adhesive strips, and then there you go. So let's pop this open here. Well packaged. Well packaged. Now, obviously with this one you get the kickstand on the, or the belt clip on the back cover here. This is pretty cool. So let's get this open here. And again, instructions are fairly easy to follow, like I said. So let's bring in the Z Fold4 here. If you haven't seen my unboxing of the new burgundy Z Fold4, be sure to check that out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do it the way it's supposed to be done, which is you open the device open flat like this, and you put each piece on like so. All right, we'll get to that big stand in just a second, but let's go here and clean this off. Yeah, this microfiber cloth that I always use in videos, folks, it is down below in the description section. I really like it. I think it's probably the best one yet that I've ever gotten. I purchased on Amazon, and you get 3 of them actually. So I think you'll probably be happy with that purchase. It's actually for like cars or anything that's going to soak up a lot of water, but it's great as a regular microfiber cloth. All right, so then we go on with this side here. All right, and off we go. Ooh, there's nothing like that fresh pulling off of a screen protector. Don't you just love it? Anyway, here's the same case basically without the hinge coverage and nowhere to put your S pen. So if you look at the top here, you've got all ports open here, microphones and speaker cutout. And then we have the same thing here. You've got the SUPCASE branding right by the power button. Nice big opening for the power button and volume rocker right there. And then you have the bottom of the device, same design, same ports open, everything is there. And again, that hinge is open for those that don't buy an S Pen or don't have an S Pen. So opening it up here, man, I gotta clean my screen. Yes, I hate it. I mean, I use the inner screen a lot, man. So that's why mine looks like that. But nice and clean for you, huh? How about that? I try to keep it as clean as possible. So the device itself is operable with the case on like this. It's got a nice little lip too on there. That's good too. So obviously you have the kickstand. So if you're going to sit it up and watch some movies or anything you're going to do with it, this kickstand is really strong and it will definitely hold your device. So that's a huge plus. Now let's go ahead and put it on the wireless charger here and see if we can get some good old wireless charging going. I know it's going to wireless charge because again, after Samsung's things for charging, anything should be able to charge through those cases. And obviously there you go, it's wireless charging. But there it is, man. I wanted to show you this one firsthand here. I really like these cases because you know, just having protection on your device depending on where you're going. Now, if I go to a game or something like that or some kind of event, I'm definitely going to throw something like this on and just somewhere I know it will drop. Now, here's the case that you get, this belt clip. Now, a lot of people frown at this. Oh, it's an old man's belt clip. Okay, well, I am a little older, so maybe that's why I like them. I like OtterBox. I like the heavier, bulkier cases, but not all the time. You know, I usually rock with an ultra thin case or no case at all around the house. But if I'm going somewhere, and again, I need that all around protection. Like if I'm going somewhere and I know it's, I guess, considered a danger zone, you know, I'm going to go ahead and put it in something like this. Now, yeah, this is extremely bulky. This is doing the most. Your phone is completely protected with this. If this falls off your hip, it's not going to go anywhere, folks. This is not going anywhere. And I suggest that when you do use this case, you go ahead and put it face in. Now, obviously, it can work both ways. If you're going to be somewhere when you need to have the front open for a little bit, yeah, that's cool. But I would definitely recommend you put it face in like this because this is going to give you like the ultimate protection. This is the ultimate protection, folks. I mean, the hinge is exposed on here, but the hinge won't really get damaged too much if you were to fall like this. Now, I don't know outside the case, but the fact is this is some serious protection. And let me show you what it looks like open. It's really cool. That's really nice. Really nice setup. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Link for this down below, and also the other version with the hinge protection is down there as well. So if you want S Pen protection, if you have an S Pen and you want that protection too, go ahead and check out the other one. It has full coverage of the S Pen. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.